Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? How's been your week? How's it been? How's been trading? Hope it's been profitable. Hope you've made some good profits this week. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please drop your comments. Drop your comments. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? You're welcome to today's live markets analysis session. Good morning, Mr. Joseph. Good morning, Mr. Lodu. You're welcome. You're welcome. How is the sound? How is the sound? I want you guys to give me feedback. How is the sound? How is the sound? Mr. Joseph, how has it been? How has it been? How is trading? Aludu, how has it been? How is trading? Hope it's been profitable. All right, good, 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 good. So if you have any pair you want me to analyze, please drop it in the comment section. If there's any pair you want me to analyze. So first we'll look at the calendar and we'll look at gold and GBP USD. Okay, if there's any pair you want me to analyze besides gold and GBP USD, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, so but first let's look at the calendar. Today is 19th June and there is no major news for the dollar today. We had the major news for GBP that was released 7 a.m. Nigerian time, and as you can see, the actual equals forecast. Forecast. That implies that the news might not play a major role. Okay, it means the news might not have a major impact or effect on the market. Okay, but technically, if you look at GBP USD is bullish. So most likely, the technical setup is going to play out. So what you should look at for is your technical setup. If you see opportunity to buy, you should go bullish on GBP USD. Okay, technically GBP USD is bullish today. For today's market, GBP USD is bullish. Okay, if the news had favored, if it had been negative for the GBP USD, then we could have considered going bearish on GBP USD. But since the news came out on neutral, forecast equals actual equals forecast, then we should focus on our technical setup. I hope that is clear. So GBP USD is bullish for today's market. Okay, so let's go to the charts. So for those of you who are currently buying GBP USD, I know some of you executed buy on GBP USD yesterday and you're still holding the trade. It is still bullish, okay? Now you should be in good profit. You should be smiling now, right? You can still hold the trade, okay? For those of you who are considering selling, if you want to sell GBP USD, I would advise you wait for price to break this support, which was a resistance level, right? This resistance level turn support. If you are considering selling, you should wait for price to break this resistance level, which has become a support. So that's my take on GBP USD. If you look at the daily, let's see how yesterday candle closed. You can see it's closed bullish. It's closed bullish. So at the moment, like I said, GU is bullish. I hope that is clear. GU is bullish. Mr. Eniola, good morning. It's been a long time, Mr. Eniola. It's been a long time. It's been years now. How are you doing? How is the family? Okay, so that's it for GBP USD. If you want to take any risk on GBP USD today, it should be buy. And where is price aiming for now? Let's go to 4 hour. Now, if we apply our Fibonacci on GU 4-hour time frame from the swing high to swing low, you would see that price is currently at a discount at a discount level, right? And at discount level, we buy, right? We don't sell at discount level. Price is at discount level. So if you are considering selling, you should wait for price, like I said, to close below this resistance, which has become a support. Wait for price to hit a premium level. As you can see, there is a fair value gap at the premium zone. Can you see this fair value gap? So it's likely price is going to hit that level before going bearish. Okay, so that's my take on GU. Wait for price to hit a premium level or fill a fair value gap before you go bearish on GU. I hope that is clear. Let's look at gold. So on gold, let's see how yesterday candle closed. Yesterday was bullish. Okay, as you can see, I have a trade on gold. You can see I have a trade on gold. I executed buy on gold. I think it was around 7 a.m. I executed the trade. I'm buying gold. Okay, I believe technically gold is bullish today. Gold will be bullish today. So, and I've already executed a trade on gold, which is in little profit right now. Okay, so my bias on gold today is bullish. It is bullish. My bias on gold is bullish. Okay. So if you are considering trading gold, you should buy. But if you want to sell gold, you should wait for price to break. We had a resistance at this point, which became a support. Okay, we had a resistance at this point, which became a support. So if you are considering selling, you should wait for price to break this support level. Okay, that's my take on gold. If you are considering selling, you should wait for price to close below, wait for a candle to close below this support zone before you consider selling gold. But at the moment, gold is bullish. At the moment, gold is bullish. As you know, gold and GBP USD are positively correlated. By that I mean, if gold is bullish, there's a probability that on GBP USD would also be bullish. 70 to 80% of the time, they move in the same direction. Okay, so that's it for gold and GBP USD. If any other pair you want me to analyze, drop it in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Let's look at GJ. GJ. GJ is also bullish at the moment. Okay, GJ is bullish at the moment. It is bullish at the moment. The bullish movement started on Monday. Okay, started on Monday. I would not advise that you go in. Okay, you can see price has already moved. It has already done. GBP USD has done over from Monday. This is about 140 pips. Right? Yeah, about 140 pips. So this won't be a good price to buy GBP JPY. You could wait for price to pull back to a discount level before you buy. Okay, wait for price to pull back to discount level before you buy. That's my take on GJ. GJ is bullish. GJ is bullish at the moment. Okay. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Do you have any question? You should only consider selling GJ if this support is broken. This resistance don't support. If a candle closes below that level, preferably a 4-hour candle, if it closes below that support, then you could consider selling GBP JPY. But at the moment, GBP JPY is bullish, and as you know, you are expected to trade what you see on the charts. Okay, you are to trade what you see on the chart. So right now, GJ is bullish. You cannot sell GJ at the current market price. Unless you don't know what you're doing, you cannot sell GJ at the current market price. I hope that is clear. You can only sell if this resistance don't support is broken. Okay. Which other pair do you want me to analyze? Drop it in the comment section. Euro USD. Okay, let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD is positively correlated with GBP USD. So if we are considering buying GBP USD, we should also consider buying Euro USD. As you can see, we have this level was a previous support level, right? We had a demand zone or a support zone. Can you see this zone? Can you see this? And at the moment, the market is trading in between that zone. Okay, the market is trading in between that zone. Also, liquidity was cleared at this previous low, as you can see. Liquidity was cleared at this previous low, and you can see the candlestick pattern we have here. Now, this is a bullish reversal pattern, right? This candle looks like a spinning bottom, and you can see the one that closed after it is a spinning bottom. You can see that. So this is a strong indication that demand is increasing, and when demand is increasing, you want to look for opportunity to buy. Demand is increasing. Now, you could patiently wait for a candle to close above this level, 1.044. You could wait for a 15-minute candle or a 1-hour candle to close above that level. That would be a strong confirmation to go bullish on Euro USD. I hope you get that. I hope that is clear. My bias on Euro USD for today's market is buy, okay? Is buy. I'm bullish on Euro USD for today's market, okay? And this is where price is aiming for. This is an area of liquidity, and we also have a fair value gap that is yet to be filled. Can you see that? So that should be your target if you are buying Euro USD. This should be your target, okay? And your stop loss should be a few pips below the low of Monday candle, because the low of Monday candle is an area of liquidity. Okay, so your stop loss should be few pips below the low of Monday's candle. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Okay, for those who might be considering selling Euro USD, you should consider selling Euro USD below the low of Monday candle. Okay, if you are considering selling, until this low is cleared, Euro USD still remains bullish. Euro USD still remains bullish until this low, the low of Monday candle, is cleared. Okay, so that's my take on Euro USD. I believe you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? Australian dollar USD also is bullish. It's been bullish since Monday, as you can see. Okay. AU is bullish. Okay, AU is bullish. So there's a high probability they're going to clear liquidity at these previous highs. Okay, this is daily previous highs. Let's check the weekly. So they're going to clear liquidity at this previous high. If they successfully break these highs, if they successfully push price above these highs, you can see we have a fair value gap. You can see it. Can you see it? Which is at a premium level. So if they successfully push price above the previous highs, then they would aim for this fair value gap. So if you are buying, this should be your target. That should be your target. Okay, that should be your target if you are buying. 6737 or 6780. Your first target should be 6737. Your second target should be 6780. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. And if you are buying, let's go back to daily. Your stop loss should be at the low, okay, of Monday candle. That is where you should set your stop loss. The low of Monday candle, okay? And as the market is moving your direction, as you're making profits on a trade, you should reduce your risk on the trade, okay? You should reduce your risk on the trade. Let's say the risk on the trade is 40 pips. Immediately the market moves in your direction, 30 pips, you should start reducing your risk on the trade. Okay? Start reducing your risk, trade your stops. You don't want to see a trade that has given you so much profit to pull back and eat your stop loss. That is one of the mistakes most traders make. You see a market, you see a trade going in your direction, you've made good profits. So instead of you adjusting the stop loss, you leave it at the initial level, and before you know it, price pulls back. It's better to lose 10 pips on a trade that had the risk of, let's say, 50 pips. It's better to lose 10 pips than to lose 50 pips on a trade that has given you profit of, let's say, 30 pips. So you have to be very smart. If you want to make profit consistently in this market, you have to be very smart. You're trading a market that is very volatile. Okay? So you have to be very smart. Trail your stops. Always trail your stops. I hope you are getting value from the stream. If you are getting value from the stream, please like the stream. Like the stream. If you are getting value from this session, like the stream. And if this is your first time participating in the live stream, ensure you subscribe to the channel so that anytime I come online, you will be notified by YouTube. Okay? Ensure you subscribe if this is your first time participating in the live stream. Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Let me know. If you have any Forex related question, drop it in the comments. Let's look at Euro Aussie. What's happening on Euro Aussie? Okay, as you know, Euro Aussie is negatively correlated with Australian dollar USD. So if we are planning to buy Australian dollar USD, if we're considering buying Australian dollar USD, then we should be considering selling Euro Australian dollar. So you can see it on that. You can see AU is bullish, and you can see Euro Australian dollar has been selling since Monday. Can you see that? Euro Aussie has been selling since Monday. AUD USD has been buying since Monday, and Euro Aussie is still bullish. Now, as you can see, liquidity has been cleared at this previous low. Can you see liquidity has been cleared at this previous low? Now, it's possible for price to pull back. Okay, anytime soon. I'm expecting a pullback on Euro Australian dollar. I'm expecting a pullback on Euro Australian dollar. What I'm looking out for is a bullish reversal pattern to form on Euro Australian dollar, and on Australian dollar USD, I'm looking out for a bearish reversal pattern to form on Australian dollar USD. Liquidity has been cleared on both pairs. Liquidity has been cleared. Buy side and sell side liquidity has been cleared. So what you should be looking out for is a bullish reversal pattern to form on Euro Australian dollar and a bearish reversal pattern to form on Australian dollar USD for you to go bearish and go bullish on Euro Australian dollar. I hope that is clear. We've analyzed gold, Mr. Joseph. We've analyzed gold. You joined the session we had yesterday, and I did analyze gold. So, and I've done that this morning. Okay? And I believe you told me you have a buy trade on gold, right? You told me you had a buy trade on gold. So, are you doubting your analysis? Are you doubting your analysis? Probably because you see gold pulling back. You know, you're not doubting your analysis because gold is pulling back at the moment. Trust your analysis, okay? Trust your analysis. I believe you did proper analysis before executing the trade, and you have your stop loss in place. Once you've done that, just let the trade drop. Okay? Gold is still bullish. It is still bullish. It's still bullish. It's pulling back to give others opportunity to join the trade. Okay? I hope that's clear. Any question? Any question? Any question? Now let's look at DXY. Let's see DXY. Let's see DXY. As you know, DXY is used to determine the strength of the dollar. If DXY is bearish, you should expect currency pairs that have USD as the counter to go bullish. Okay? And if DXY is bullish, that is if dollar is strong, you expect currency pairs that have the dollar as the counter to go bearish. So let's look at the DXY charts. So you can see the pattern we have on DXY. This is a bearish pattern, right? This is a bearish pattern. Since the dollar is bearish, we should be considering buying GBP USD, AUD USD, NZD USD, Euro USD. Okay, so you can see DXY is bearish. Can you see? At first, liquidity got cleared at this point. Can you see that? Can you see that? Liquidity got cleared at this point, and after liquidity got cleared, what happened? You can see the pattern we have here. This is a bearish reversal pattern, a spinning top and a shooting star. That's a strong indication that the dollar is going to be bearish, right? You can see. So DXY is bearish at the moment, indicating that the dollar is weak. Dollar is weak. Okay, so I'm expecting that DXY will drop to fill this fair value gap that was set at this point before going bullish. That's my expectation on DXY. So this is the area I will also consider changing my bias on GU, AU, NU, EU. Okay. We also had a fair value gap here. So these are the areas I would be considering changing my bias on GU, EU, AU, and NU. I hope that is clear. Have you guys liked this stream? Have you guys liked this stream? I believe you are getting value from this stream, and you would want others to also, participate in this live stream. Ensure you like this stream. Ensure you like this stream. This session is for free. It costs you nothing to just click on the like button. This session is for free. Just click on the like button. And for those of you looking for a good broker to deal with, you should open an account with Cabana Capitals. Okay? If you're looking for a good broker, a broker that offers you swap-free accounts, then you should open an account with Cabana Capitals. By the month of July, I will be offering gold signal and GBP signal to Cabana clients. Okay, starting from July, I will be offering gold signal to Cabana clients. Okay, and you should have at least a minimum of $200 in your Cabana Capitals accounts by July. Okay, I'll be sending you signals on gold and GU. Okay, for those whose capital will be less than $1,000, we'll be focusing on GBP USD. But for those who have above $1,000 in their trading account, we'll be trading gold. In the month of July, I'll be sending you signals, but you need to fund your trading account with Cabana Capitals. Okay? Any question? Any question? Any question? Mr. Friday, Mr. Eniola, Mr. Oludu, do you have any question? If you're in this live stream and you've not commented, I can't mention your name. So please drop a comment so I will know that you are participating in this live stream. So I think that will be all for this session if there are no questions. If there are no questions, that will be all for this session. Our next session will be tomorrow by 10 a.m. Tomorrow is Thursday, and I think we have several major news that will be released from the United States tomorrow. Okay, we have major news for the dollar. So we'll be meeting tomorrow by 10 a.m. So I want to appreciate you all for your participation in today's session, and I look forward to having you guys in tomorrow's session. Mr. Coyote, I can see you. Good morning, Mr. Coyote. So we'll be meeting tomorrow by 10 a.m. Please, as you trade today, there are no major news, okay? Ensure that you apply good risk and money management. That is the secret of successful trading. That is the secret of successful trading. It's not about strategy. It's how you manage your capital That will determine how long you remain in this business. Don't try to flip your account. Don't try to over leverage. Don't revenge trading. Okay, don't revenge trading. Once you hit your maximum loss for the day, close the platform. Okay, close the platform. The worst thing that can happen to a trader is not to have money to trade. That's the worst thing that could happen to a trader. If you have money to trade, no matter the losses you've made, you would recover it. You would recover it. Okay, so don't blow that account. Don't blow that account. Once you hit your maximum drawdown for the day, just close the chart. Tomorrow you would have funds to trade. Okay, I hope that is clear. And ensure that you don't execute more than 2 trades in a day. 2 trades in a day, one in London session, one in New York session. Okay, one in London, one in New York session. Maximum 2 trades in a day. If you're executing more than 2 trades in a day, you are over trading. You are over trading. Okay, you are over trading. Maximum 2 trades a day. If you do this, you will be a profitable trader. You will consistently make money from the market. Okay, so once again, I appreciate you all for participating in today's session. I look forward to having you guys in tomorrow's session. Wish you guys a profitable trading day. Bye for now. Bye.